So let's have a look how it works to attend to a virtual session. Where we are at the moment is our email account, and prior to your conference, you will receive an email looking more or less similar to this one that we have here. Besides other important information, it also contains our session link that we have here. And one click on that link will open up our session view page. And the first step, we need to give our name and click on continue. And in the second step, our browser is asking us to allow the use of our microphone and our camera. In this example, it's German, but it will ask you to allow that. So let's click on it. In the next step, you can choose what microphone you want to use, what camera you want to use, and what speaker you want to use. And as you already can see, my microphone is working. In case I would turn on my camera, you would see me here or yourself. And you can send yourself a test tone to see if your speakers are working fine too. Once that's all set, we can click on join. And here we go. So this is our session view page. Now let's have a look how the session view works. And the most easy way to do so is to go up here to our help center. And whenever you like, you can click on that little question mark we have here. And it will start a guided tour through our page and explains you everything. It starts here at the microphone icon, and that's the place where you can turn on or off your microphone. Can choose what microphone you would like to use. Turn on or off your camera. Choose what camera you want to use. Turn on or off your speaker. And choose what speaker you want to use. Next is the live icon, and that indicates that our session technician has given you the control over the presentation system. So in case you have a live presentation, then this is the sign for you that you are now in control and can control your presentation yourself. Yeah, this is the presentation system I was talking about. So in our example, we have 5 presentations in that session. And in case you have a pre-recorded talk, our session technician will start it for you and you will see it running here. And in case you have a live presentation, you will get the control over the system from our technician and you can control your slides yourself. Left and right from that, we have the icons for the cameras. So this is the place where you are going to see yourself and your colleagues during the session. And in case you want to leave the session, you can just click on that exit button we have here or close your browser window. Underneath the presentation system, we have our interactive menu. And the first icon that we have here is the Q&A icon. So this is the place where we are going to receive all the questions and comments that are coming from the audience. In our example, we have 2 of them. And on most conferences, the default setting is that all comments are hidden and needs to be clicked on show to audience to be seen by the rest of the audience. So in case you like a comment, just click on show to audience. And now the rest of the audience can see the comment too. You can take those comments either to the discussion part at the end of your presentation to have it in the live discussion there. Or in case you want to reply here, just click on that. Type in your message and click on send to reply to the comments via text. In case you are attending an interactive session, you can click here on polling, and this is the place where you're going to see the questions and the results from the polling system. You don't have to do anything for that. It's completely controlled by our technician. So the next icon that we have is the chat. Since we are in a live situation during the session, every spoken word is going to be live streamed. So in case you have a question for our technician or you want to discuss with your colleagues, this is the place to do so. Just come here, type in the message and click on send. And only people that are with you on the session view can see those messages. So it's not going to be seen from the audience. The next icon is faculty. And this is just an overview of all the people who are with you on this page or in the meeting, so to say. In case you turn off your camera, you won't be seen anymore. And here you can always see who's with you in the meeting. Now let's have a look how it works to give a live presentation, and therefore I'm going to my technician view and give us control. And as you already can see, now this icon turned red. That means we can control the slides now. I'm going to start this presentation for us. And then with a left click I can advance slides. And with a right click I can bring slides back. The same is with the keys on my keyboard. I can click on the right arrow to advance slides and on the left arrow to bring slides back if I like. With escape I can close the presentation, but in most cases this is something the technician is going to do for you. In case you need further help, you always have here our phone number to call one of our colleagues. You just need to have the meeting ID ready and give it to the person on the phone, and then you are going to be redirected to one of our technicians who's going to help you. And that's basically all the functions that the session viewer is having. So enjoy your conference.